Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth. Live simple,
Live free. And we landed in Newark when we came back from the Bahamas, and we drove right directly to my dad's place where we're going to be packing him up. This is behind us is the building that he's lived in for the past, what, 3 years?
three and a half, something like that.
It's a senior building. It's not a nursing home, it's just a senior apartments. That's where he's been living.
It's very nice.
So we're here for a couple days to pack him up, and then we'll move him down to Virginia with us, and then he'll be there.
Yep.
Well, we're all packed up, ready to go?
Yeah.
You ready for your new life?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Wow.
Off we go. So it's pretty much an all-day drive to our house in Virginia, and Elizabeth and I always just do it in one day. But that is really difficult on my dad. He gets really exhausted driving for so many hours, especially since we're all crammed into the front seat of our pickup truck and he's in the middle. So we decided to break it up into 2 days. So we got a hotel about halfway down so that he could rest, and we finished the next day. So, you know, Dad obviously knows that we are YouTubers and that's how we make our living, but he doesn't really completely understand how that works. And he hasn't really seen many of our videos yet. So we were sitting in a hotel and I showed him the video from the Bahamas trip that we just got back from. And there were several places in there where it was Elizabeth and I talking, and I had done a selfie in order for him, to do the video. So he's watching that and he sees the two of us and he says, "Who's doing the filming?" I said, "I am." He said, "What do you mean you are?" I said, "It's called a selfie." He didn't know what that was. So I picked up my phone and I did a selfie right there in the hotel room with him so that he could see what a selfie was and how it worked. He was amazed. Just like that. And it looks like somebody else is doing it.
Yeah, they call that a selfie.
Yeah.
Your arm is out over here.
Yeah. See?
Oh.
See? But that's called a selfie.
Dad was just saying that if somebody would have told him back when he was taking pictures when he was younger that someday we'd be taking movies with our telephone, he wouldn't have believed it. Yeah. So we're having a good trip down.
So as we're driving down here, going home again with my dad this time, several times I have looked in the rearview mirror and been startled to death by some idiot who is tailgating me. This white van keeps tailgating me. Really shocking to see that.
We are here.
Took my picture with a camera, with a phone.
Well, we've got Dad's room, I think, all ready for him for when he comes. Bill built him this really great bed with storage under it. and all these beautiful shelves, and I've given him my recliner, which is really comfortable. We put shades on the windows, and he's got a nice big closet. I think it's going to be really nice. And we'll see what else he needs in terms of a rug, but we put a really nice rug right here. And I think we'll bring a little table that he has from his place, and I've got a lamp already for him. So anyway, we tried to have it all ready so it'll be very nice for him. Okay.
And then this will be your room here. This is your room.
Okay.
So I built all of that shelving for you, and I built this, and it's got a lot of storage underneath, and then a recliner for you.
Yeah.
And you should be able to put the TV probably here with your thing there.
And we thought that, yeah, that's a nice recliner. Yeah, that should be very comfortable. Yeah.
Do you ever have to use this?
Oh no, there's good heat in here, but we have that just in case you need more.
Okay.
Well, look what the cat dragged in.
Well, thanks a lot, Leo.
So, how was it in the Bahamas?
Oh, it was great. We'll have to tell you all about it.
Well, don't worry, guys. I held the fort down for you while you were gone.
Thanks, buddy. Appreciate that.
Hi, Leo. Oh, I'm so glad to see you. Yes, 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 hello.
Leo the lion.
Yep.
Hi. Okay.
Aw. Oh. Okay, Dad, say hello. Say hi.
Hello.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Getting all moved in.
Getting all moved in. Gonna do magic. All that stuff into this little box.
Yep, it's gonna fit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we've been here about a week now, and you've pretty much got moved into your room. So how are you doing with it, with Virginia? And
Wonderful.
yeah,
I got two marvelous people here taking care of me, doing everything for me. Give me a room, even build a ramp out front like Noah's Ark so I can get up easy when I'm old. Build shelves. They're the greatest people in the world.
thanks.
Thanks, Dad.
Except maybe for a couple of you.
Yeah, well, the ramp that he's talking about that I built, you'll see that in the next video. So,
Well, we're very glad to have you here, Dad. This is working
Good to
out
be
well.
here.
yeah.
Yeah.
Good to be here. It's taken me a couple of days to find out which way is north.
Yeah.
This whole city here is built on 45-degree street angles, and so now I know that north is this way.
The joys of learning a whole new place that
Yeah,
you've never
took me
lived
some-
in before.
Took me 3 or 4 days to figure it out.
Yeah. So, anyway, okay, thanks everybody for coming along, and you see that he's well settled now. A lot of people have been asking questions about how Pop is doing. So here he is. He's with us, and he's settled, and we're good to go.
Yeah.
So, okay, thanks for watching, everybody.
Live simple.
Live free. We'll see you later.
All right.
Be blessed.
Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.